No one shall my wife, and a British son. Norman G. Williams is a lawyer and a lecturer at Gimpo. Roma, the child you bring, was it show a lawyer for Tumrika Babere. Oba no ashe intention. Was it you know, I record them. Hear them. I record them. How many minutes? 5 minutes. I'm going to go see at the Now when it I know YouTube ne Facebook and our Facebook nko. YouTube no so ekoso. Na okay man for ni busana ka dachi na say YouTube ne ya won nya ni ade. Ana won so do camera na bi say also ko bi wo heva. We no so de nam TikTok. We are nam ko kan bibi ni ade ya ma machimi o. Why? Na TikTok no say ni nipa ba so. Na no minim ho wi o. To mo amugu so no. So mo kan bibi sesia no e ba ba chimi o. Sa. Dek. Omo egu TikTok no so. Me minim ho wi. Wo na wo ye wade. E se obi kan bibi wo ho a. Ye be ba ba chimi ana. Wo se atete nkoro na. E de be di sanko mo ni bi. You better say it's what you say Obama poku ase. Me yonko brebo. Na many ni go beyond a year Facebook ni ade. Exactly. If a time when me di here poku ase no. Na say Obama ne na fie ben baby a na metie. Na no na ye pipe wo e wo esoro ho baby. Enti emu baby wo na me da ayi Jonas Okukuruko nchen. Enti minim say Obama from 2007. Ansan wo be ye Facebook say Obama no. Na ne be kana semni bi. Na me be yi fanti comedy no ko mo si anda yi ye janu na oda so shem ye janu court na mani bill no mo so no aye dai enu so ye be di san komo no na ai ba ko ni ade wo mo si efre bibi ai Ghana jollof ana e bi ye Nigerian ye enu so ka ho ye be di san komo ni nyina ye be di ni nyina you know enkomo no na fe ya kire emra ne se de yi na wo di bone na police for ne be ka de yi na ya hwe police for ne statement no na ya de atoto mra ho ne ya hwe wo mo conduct ne kura sai na tie if say man for na ehunu dia ana we nya emotions we nya na mempe we yasem meti we mempe kwabna bobi asem ne ya wo ye ne mai na so obi ye ne bone se de na anu ye che ne kotum ya me ka setia why said the TS if there's a obi asemu umpe obi asemu what is wrong is wrong regardless of who is being done to it constitution no kura no wo kasetia discrimination constitution impa discrimination kura it is a way discrimination there based on race gender ethnic group ne political ideology constitution kasetia it ibu ho a wo mpese Obama asem fanti comedy said what na say nu na so wo mpenasem ani ade na so nya de wo pa na wo mpene ye kire se emra ne se de yi se de be ya wo kina de bi ye obi a eno ne ye kire wa ha kwase ane aboa bi ani ha why gobi you know metro mass mo se de na asi wo ho ensam koso ho e be ka no so nyina na money ye jai yeguso ye di arewo ni di ekoso yi di di arewo ni ye di arewo ni na se nkofo di ono omuda na bia se obi wani odu wani ba koda na de ba kwatete there is a woody arewo kura na ye niama no na machire eti ebedi sa nkomo no na if say ye nyina ne nipa wunya sa na so ye kai die ntia ye kai ne ayi adjusu die yi jonkoma wuye ye kai se mu na bebre no akai omo ye no msi new poison party yes anom friend bibi beka se ne ye obi di she na ewu omo nyatema eti we no ye no ya kai se we no die enya nanso eniema bi omo ye na no ye de ba be sinani ahwe se sai ne kosie madama say ya ne be why eti ya ye no so menua kojo sidie ya kojo sidie wono so mo ya modin beba na afi wo say empetre no edia na aeroplane e kwa mframa ni akira na empetre timi ko brewura ayi ni ade kojo so ha adwen o egbekwenu die egbekwenu say egbekwenu ni ade na asi abone hene almost up cheap ibo fo no almost up cheap Wajuru abodam. Why you want to grow more now? You before I want to hear. di asem ni where ya ibo fu ama sanu wo chia me kakra bi da ayi asafo hina emfi na no MC tu asafo hina ba ko no ana chia me na to fom ndie no kore pa we me ye baba ho nso nya sa na nya mpete na course ya me ka we me kan wasem nanso educational purpose na ya mama mfo na hu if say aeroplane tu owie manya agudi o na pete na ho ne say ya otimi ko ba bi aeroplane 2000 feet above a year sea level na no kwa de wo fom pa no ana pete timi ko dra engine na engineer na wai na ka engine kura yan katra so na aeroplane de na ya bie ma pete ram say ya baba be di honko yi kwaju aha na de biwa metro mass Ghana no a very funny country.
No hini.
Yeah.
Yeah, hini.
General now so cry.
This is o shebremu.
Adia.
Sumankwa hini.
Asofo nkwa hini ba.
Shebremu hwefo.
Is the shebremu hwefo. Your mama appointed shebremu hwefo. Na nam gas was what the government the ministers were appointed more. It we no ministers were no appointed. And wa pe kwan bi so do mo share. Ayi ni say ba ho ayi ni free so answer. Ba ho. Ba ho say na ye no. Some be resume. Na do market for enra ma me ke oni mi gina phone so be. Ma me ke. Hey, wani mi gina phone so bro be ayi. No yes one hene minya kura ka me ama be kama sem. Ma me ke ne makama why. No si dia wo kan ye no kore. Do me phone na sem bebepe. Na do me phone ya o mo kan ma correct wo mo. Yes that me there. Me ba be kan dia do me phone ka. Na no be busa sa na sa ayi kadachie na wafra adie ni metia mamre anim mamre ense ya mamre nti machire mu die ntia menim se mo atiti bia enso mo amonte ye no so anya asem foforo ye beka moate ntia na mefra eya yintuma na yintuma no we nya yintuma bia ka gobi we no nya yintuma bia ka hey na mo hwa ntuma na ni na 56 years ntuma we twam 56 years why na no man so ntuma woni me nya asem bia na ho se mefra we ya ba court dem a ka hunu se we ya de ya ntwa asem gwamna jewia so de oni me nya asem na se me nya fra ntuma we se we ya de ba man so ntuma yi we ya dan so me nya ntuma yi rad me no ba ka asem na hunu se fra me a asem ni jai na is ma hwan ehun nyina hunu se me wa asem me no ba twen so na me asem ma ya me ni nye me petrobo ankasa ti ne be ni nyina na wo ma begu so ye nya ne anante wo mo be sua de we no dede ni ade ne do so nya no ni hia ade sua no a say emotions in the doors so mine muntinso na mkosua law ne nya de bi ta ma pempem we in dem fanya we no ma G Williams was ubisa no beka che the best student pa taught law the best student in me Miss me tombo asem kosua mra me ko ye nso me yirim husua ai e se pese me hunu mra no na mo asisi manfo no afa manfo no me ko mo no mo se di matem mo de anya mo ne me problem mo fu asem nko na general mo resi na
ni reality ni wo fomo
ade
trader ba ku kem
traders mo kem se de na si
se economy o mo se dadana
traders in Neka say Yohani Diano
dadana
do de buy no yenti we are here for happy on wheels na e pa ho adaban someone says I show me na me shasa happy for area me na me din kura koy me sorry na me din jawo o bu say na man ko be catch e pa ho adaban ye ntiam to say de ne court duty enya sabre no anya Ghana adwuma e pa ho bi wada ban eti e pa ho adaban so no mo call out na happy on wheels so me na me say din ma see FMP abonte na manfo no so creativity is here I dream big and I think big so yen konkoti o mo say dey
Abai 7 months abai ba ye when say be na ba wa djuma mu ni say net year first no
oh BBMI I say what petrol so what dollar so kura ke ye say de tie no sa na tie ye say anwan ya te so both road 5 cedi say de tie no sa na tie ye nte
See, I buy 7 months. I buy by ye. When I buy now about you remember say the next year first.
Oh, BBMI. I say what petrol so what dollar so. Want to so crack eh. Said the tier no sanet here. You see, I'm why at so. Both road 5 cities said the tier no sanet here. You enter so to patrol grad bear. Often quite dead them, $1 no quite dead them because you who be bien one man. You must say at $2 so. It took out to idea we yatos to ye to me before no. A baboy, oh, Cockasua, 8 cities, and so could Jinakasua stations or Cockasua Straight, 10 cities, Casua Straight, 12 cities, and fast will be in so, and you know, on some fun quantity that them lady.
Hey, well, my kidna, Yamatel Joey.
Oh, we can be growing young brother to be about 25.
That's all man 25%. See, I buy 7 months. I buy.
Yeah, man for what? Yamina be pay you. What's what my care call man say 25. If it's a buy no buy no. What's $1 na perform. Name on paper so nkwane wo. A young phone in Philly. Come who you 7 months in $1 but for say ke man phone Philly. Anya sa. Bills. So still no Philly. And them di ka be kind mu twa man apa. The catch am say artificial. Na bibi artificial ya dan reflecting. Aha, we ya dan ya reflecting. Why? It mumi yang ni no krami ho. Yi ke ona taban no. Nneema no bebre why wani na hu no. Enso umfili no butum. Eti ya dan ya de me hunu no ana make am di matam. Afa na mu be hunu. Media nya ne me kasa me kasa ma ne. Aha, nti wo yom so wo twa tro ne ade. Mincha obi ato yes adwene ne dwene kwa chire mo e cha ne ya moye no mo mu de adwene ne ne ya aburu so ya wana wa adwene na menwene sa madama enti weni traders ni so for reason for bre e dey na see
Dr. Samson akasa o
Dr. Samson o se dia ya
sample ne de ko South Africa no o asem ka o
sample be ya DNA no ana we Dr. Paul Poku Sampene or say, where your forensic a pathologist. Na your basi ya nipa DNA ni adimwa. We no e be our tier no ase. Yonkonko chine.
They cut a very bad slay. Within a cancer, cut a very bad slay, and I said, bot.
Danny, we brofuna what can I say? Na said the nim guase e Ghana. Say ho Ghana. Yes, see ntumi nye DNA wa ha. Eti asia de South Africa after 68 years of independence. And a pathologist na say na we dey gu ye nim ase. Na yenkongo tie die ntia o ka se gu ye nim ase yenti.
Well, it cuts a very bad slay. Within a cancer, cut a very bad and I said, bot your medical system, no more, any ministry of health, no more, any government, it be almost be almost spitey and at the idea. But the most important thing is one go because my family say if the government can spend so much, the my family at the time I call Germany Kushner, the same thing I mean almost South Africa. The Ghana government was spending so huge amount on me per year. Me boss which says Canova say be agro. It's not Ghana government. President Kufuor Adaruma, the call could be 7 years of Canada. Just go and learn. I did be no even medicine class, specialty be no shut a cushion 7 years. It doesn't happen. But pathology, one me call in 7 years. I spent 7 good years in Germany learning this to come and assist, teach, and train people. But you buy no ya yebi yetimi ya yebi di aboa system no me fa ntakra di case ye bi am nipa me ensa bi omko yesi omko no ko share septic tank. We were the ones who did it, and that based on that the judges or the courts were able to give judgment and then what they pronounce what do you call sanctions, unless one pronounce sentences you find them guilty. No? So what has changed in this particular case? I don't know what has changed. Probably they are going to do something that we don't know or we cannot have the capacity to do. Otherwise, if it's just identification, said the Honorable Muntaka, you know, so see Omoko identify or no open agent. I can assure you there's nothing agency when we are going to do something in connection with human beings. A method, any time ene abotre ene ede ye nti I don't see how it say bia mukọ no ano anecha ene no ma ye de amom how agent anche kura 2 weeks and 1 week de mbedi ansa no maba ene is it agent any agent
general you doctor yi kan nyina se na ka die ne betumi ene wa ha na dia na obi di sie ene ye nwan nko South Africa yi kwabna kwatewia na ke betumi die ne wa ha ye doctor yi kan no ana enim gu asesem no ye kwa gugu ye ho anim asese ene die ne kro ntimi nye bi wo man Ghana mu anya sa hey we work say was ye wo shada ko Germany e ma Ghana ban bo ne ho ka so onko sua die ne mra a ye bi Ghana ha enso yesi anya ne ha yesi adi gu ye nuane plane mu ne ye ko South Africa nam ko kan ye tufa nyanam kan ye twa madapai ye mahuna mani o amanfo gadaji dek adapai twa yi wo mu de bekumi o boy no kurenti o na me no kurenti me din simangu matena nananum akonwa so enso yesi me twatro na me de nananum akonwa din sie sese me twatro a kire mu dia ene nananum nkumye maka me no kurenti se me ne mu anatie
fire
no ma di matam dia na akoma manfo na manfo ne wo mo for raising mo raising for last two adawo ye hammer who produce brafo we be ahadian ya ebi oho me bra be ya
kojo ke kansa
kojo be ye
and I'm aeroplane at the top. So we shall place do at the top of my or hunting you see 65% anoma. Modern aircraft, aeroplanes are by we are seeing nano, the year na be for yamresu, nano. You see it to be yen such a way, your friend bird ingest, and to me, and for how we are and family. But anoma your friend pete say niwa de minim ni po trust anyum no o ma me frɛ wo say pete or frɛ anoma your friend pete say owura aeroplane engine ni mu a wo boa plane never form if you say pete ni mu odu e che asrewa say crow I friend akon crow kra no twi ye dey fantifo friend dey akonkwan o say dey and crow ni twi minim say dey obefre no yes o
emunso ayi o kwajo yi kwajo
ohini It's when there's a story of Machibo Pada.
Got Bopada.
Pete.
Say what did this?
The better so just oh, Kwajo, ni din ne honam se o. Onim enipa no no mudin ko. Aha, onim se manfo no. O madwene no emmo number. And the people will like something like this.
Exactly.
Rather than the more madwene akwachiri. And to okawe ya, it's so simple that people can relate. Pete, say anywhere didn't say anywhere. And when the rap play say anywhere didn't na play number form say anywhere didn't say anywhere. Hey, say anywhere didn't when you engage the people on this level, they don't need another level of thinking, they don't require another level of energy to dissect asem no wakano. So they follow you. Now when you have to do another level of thinking, another level of reasoning, it becomes so difficult for the people to process it. For that matter, some of us, we may not cut for them. And see, kwajo ni crowd no kwajo Nemo wadama. Wayo anyama cost about 65% of a year plane. The crash no. Nyepete. Why? The edika no ye a year pilot no so he make mistake bia. Says wo mia enu emia no ko mia be ni adia. So a year pilot error. Why koyo? Say pilot no otie ono bibi nti na so mia bibi no emia ni adia. Eno ne number 1 cause. Koyo mechanical error. Say plane no ye ni adia no edru wie mu no. Na ebia engine fault bi ni adia na by for na no die ya na you almost say air medi. So almost say land because na the tire pie wo wiem. Na minim de no de tire ni ye wo wiem. It mechanical error. Koyo eno so ya another cause of a year. Na traffic control. Once a plane ni betua and for control from a year room be. Say wo ye ni ade any ye clear. Enye clear. A plane ni be far. So plane na A2 fa wiem no. Enkrofo bi gu another room a omo na control a ye plane no. Baby a wo fa ne wo mfa nyina. Using GPS ni ade nyina. Koyo edi say enkrofo no. Omo so failure. Traffic control error no. Say bi ku enkrofo bi omo de light no direct a ye plane ni ade no. So chen pete no. Wo ye mistake a plane bi kuno na eno na ayi pete ba ko wram ana we ni a plane foforo drone ana Egoyo na drone ketu akura ye fly ko wiem eno ma ayi kwakwado bi ni ade na eba ho a etoda bebre no eso nti wo mntimi ma ho ye kwadwo wayo ada ma we no akame se ba ya che kame nka ho asem na emo se be na manfo ne benya education kakra. We don't need this kind of miseducation in the society. The people must use their brains to think. The people must think from another level. Yet me nyate so trivial. Yet me nyama myopic. We cannot be so myopic in our discussions. Public discourse when it comes to nation building, it must be elevated. We must elevate the discourse. So I don't think this kind of discussions, as an astute journalist of your caliber, even if pete ne wa wine the course here, jama form for nenka, and here and segasim komo, ne peja conversation, ne kwa another level of reasoning. And I know you are capable of doing it. When you want to study and do it, you do it. Except that you like too much of a pedestrian conversation, and you understand the psyche of the people that they also do like pedestrian conversation. For that reason, you don't want to help them. But your job, your major job, your major role, your major reasoning is that you shouldn't be pedestrian. When you get mass media and the people needs to reason, when they reshape the way they think, you cannot also be part of the downward thinking, the way you cannot be a part of it. So raise the discourse, elevate the discussion. Don't be doing these things on TV. Bro, please. I mean, I have so much respect for you and what you have been able to achieve. But please elevate the discourse. Don't do these things. Why? I beg you. God, thank you. My last one, Moko Shebrem. Away. Shebre Safo. Now we know about Christy. When it's a cordia di Mianubia Nedapa. Maybe I me born be care. Honest, I called the Yame gospel. Oh, yes, Shebre Safo. Anna me send a munkope Sheba Yini Binamunti. It your Baba Christine Sako dear. I now wine at the Shebre Sanabe. Kubera. One Kubera.
Brazil Kube. $20 about.
Now, a dear Naya can near Mama Saba. Mammy came. No, almost a day. Brazil Kube. Every free anchor. Who are paying us at all way. Soft penny. And say, why a day? Where's Manquine? Or Beji, dear prophecy. No one verify. Then only Yamen or friend or friend. I said, Yami and Pass away, no the man. I remember one at 2 percent. And call you Ed Bassa. Now we will lead us. So my green in dear. Now, yeah, coin. No wonder 68 years to nowhere.
Exactly.
So we leaders are drinking see a ma prophecy. Instead say you buy your marania sanitizer. Damn part of jobo. Brania film. Or the discipline by our mind. And I know better. Let me see the diff when your mom ye biana muye. Titia diffono. The omuye yano. No me tete market square. If they say they will like him media to tetenua. Just walk out in a jum. Not a biano say prophecy. Sabi only 10 days. But them ni bia na war. A boom fast and teach him. One of the bia what you know be drum one work kamuti and musa. Eti yamfana samunyari. So see the difference between 1 and 10 days. Dia. One near Adamu say no to drum and chawa. Now one also yan yamani. What kamusa. Nasanyasa. Now who prophecy in Yamena diamawa. Yamede mawia. What the adrenaka home. Said your dema a year Samuel. So uncle Shira David. And what they want adrenaka home. It's imagine say Samuel Begina a Yamaka Square. And warrior say, hey, David, Yamiashe, so bedding in it. Yamiashe, so bed to so. It's Casso and Kuno. Casso Kuno. After Branco Yamesuma saw a David say, Samuel Sekoshirano was so corner David who ever said it's a different and Pia Basabasa. Ye bepia, Naya Sumano. It's the other year when he knew Samuel also says Samuel no David Hunua. I saw a Hunua. Catch it and say, Mimi Yamese, but your share for dear. If the Yamedia Jene Kanwa Mase, may the prophecy Nama dear. Then so and Canabasabasha and Cassa Rough. Then so you did for your Wokromay. So Munchi. Afe yesi a man suma nkwa hene aye ni nyina aka ho na nsuma nkwa hene is say no the prophecy la wa kube agwore egura yenya enwe na wo na we kube ebo ho ka no obetimi ahwe prophecy so na we na job for the boys say pe ba bi ma ono nso hye say ba ye no ye chicha yenya bi minister on be promises on the 51 one be bu na ye tro it owie no upon ministers ni be bu presidency go dem one from ministers on the funu bi abetro mo so no mo so age pe diam na ade if say oni asofo ni hia bia no a asofo no beje kakra ko it is here budget 20,000 for asofo no it is a way of bribing the church na mo amie mo ni amu hunu if say asofo bi a wo ba ye ana manya nkom hie ni mai say o so ne wo ko ada o manje see e be channel sika fa it we su ye way person if say free and ground so be di kakra nyansa bia nim ye mu man sa ma dwene ni susabo amamuo ko kan se ye be di matam ye wu bu man ana ase wo di bia to prophecy ano na ne woni usuma nkwa hene difference o me ye dia difference nim okay yo enti eno ano no afi mo raise me
no hene shatan so se de
shatawali boy ya no enano enre ya na minya se bo ma yusu no ja no o se shatano ya beto aba na ne nkasa ye bi ni ade na wo ka bi boa jo mama so be ba ni ameboa ana o mu yusu ni follow ndi nya vote ni ade na wo mu wie gogovi afa ya di yoko no no mo yeso shatani de enche na adwene no atiasi na ye mane kwani and distract no a ebekwa akowie si ba akowie si obesa kan bi kura tiaye tie na muni kan nwura no ana wo ye no akotoka na wo ye no mso ani ka no kura no do oton ma obi e ma obi ne beton ma obi no ya chi sa nipa no wo eye kan say America etie ne sa nipa na eche no no eye fraud process na fa ye say tie ne ya je satan ka no asi eti we ni eni kan ma satan na kana no atu na sa ne yusu nipa mo na mo yusu satan ana mo ye sese ni ade ave mu ba ya mo se yusu ade na satan na ma ne lawyers atwera ko FBI ne hwan se me ka ya mpa no mso lawyer ne twera ko na FBI na ma yi se ade etu em no ka se satan so wo prepare so be si wo na wo yes anso ye nya sa ne brand no wo mo ya se no why wo mo ya se no if say ya nya de sa satan wa boamu na afa mu yusu ni nya ne fancy ni we ya na de mo de ye no ni if si anka shatana no antumu a won de enche wa esafia so snega won wo bone wo chena no won wa ye ni ade na we afia age mo number so wo de mo perfume so no e mane to wo de beba why menene di nkomo em say 3 days or 4 days ai wo frey na me na menene number ni ade na menene no so aye ne kama se me am nua hu sister brother mumia nkoni ankoya yi o mane bo amamu wu no before se be koso de ntia me frɛ tuntum ne sɛ ayi kwamna okay so de ntia me frɛ tuntum no asamato yani asamato asante nya asama yanika ba ya na ye hu nanso amamra ni amanie mu no asem bi sachia me ano ebi sa ahenkwa no na ebi sa ohene na ano ti na asi atwan ya ema yewura ono eba betudwa nti krata di kan bai ye mu bi de ni ate na yese na asante ma okwakura ose labi de ya yesa ne wai wadama na asante ma ko eye akura na ne sinya ne yakakra na ye dia doctor fo abegina ho asenhwefo abegina ho ye hwema no eya ye ni ade na asante hene de tudwa adwada no hia ya asante ma council obia baby ana wafi wodi atudwa se ene ebusumi ya ewo mu yi ne de toso eye aduonu baako eye 21st ana ye bedi eye na wotweda na anya asemu a eye nkola agudie kura na kuna do yi adoma otoso miensa okwakura sabi ohima na ohine ngu na we wati baby a say ade ne si sechire jamasi a ama ntumpan ana na bibi nso asi sechire jamasi ampa ntumpan no entimina ebi se na asante hema okone krechi na ye ni ade ye se asembe na ma ye botwi ekobremai o ya na makatwi ne se asembe na me ye kootwi kobremai enye ye kootwi kobremai asembe na aba e ma ye botwi ekobremai efise kuma se bremai eho ne esie eye sabi nananom eho ye bamu edisa asembi beba na ye bebotwi akankasa ne asanteka se kase bibia botwi a na je se wo munyina de entamso kobremai dia na ya asem kese enti asem a me ye kobremai no ebiaba enti we asentini abia a wo bia no sabre no ye di areho ye twa adwadwo ye ni sunisuo ye serasa sabre na be kai mo se na asante ma kwa ese kai mo tete atempo no ye mo nananum bi be ye se be ye a wo betimi abo amamra ni amane no ho ban de twumantwi kobi ni amanfi oti akentan obri ebua de omu nyina be ye e ma se tutu odi kan ba beto aso ni nyina mu be kai de kuma u man hene ye mbe kai de adwoso man hene ye mbe kai asenso ayidi kopem ne de mu mbe kai ni nyina adwumaka se kase hene de ye mbe kai de konfano che be ye osese ntumpan ni yesiso a enka nchirima se yenso ye babe ye bi ni nchirima mbe babe ye bi ato aso ni nyina ni ye hwese ye bi ato aso kobi ohene genua ohene eno ne dia da ne ntuma frɛn ene ye dia ka da ne yomo kan eno ne yemfa ndifandi asante no se ne ka tete no omu hia ye so omu ka asante man na bom na mampomfa mrabo anya ne ntufa bra na aguna fa ode bra esuta fa bra adwuma ka se fa ode bra adwoso fa bra kwa man adanse ene ne ya ahemfo ye wo mu yanke yanye de ye esa ahemfo ye abai anompamfo omo no omo mpam sikadie ana ato omo na ahema akura ya okoi enkaye setiti abakosam wo ho ne yebekosoa me de nananom ye akono ene mobile mode gen shete esh frantuma mode kan hene maso akase obekai ne yesre security amponoa wane nananom edru sabreya santehene setutu namkase ombe mo ahoden nyansa nimde a wode bebu santeman no e de yakọ akodu jojo na yenuan mo wo Kodivoa ba wulefo no se ba wulefo na Kodivoa ni nyina ya asantefo na abena pokuya ese ye ya ne ade eto akonyadie ana ntokwasi enye ne ne ahindi no na ye ya abena pokuya wo kọ ye pamono dia se de yenuanum bi beka akofo dua dwaben eno so dwaben ntokwasa ahini ho ntokwa ana de bi beka dwaben achemfo na ahini ho ntokwa se tutu banana asonafo ne nyini ne dia yukuni ne beye Kofi no de bayi afi ba wulefo ne de omo ibroni be se condolence aba se omo ne nyina sabri ya abrewada wa ye hwe ne siama ni omo ne nyina e kambum na mesre se sanka bum ne be wo ho enya asanteman ko aka man ne nyina fantefo beba enzema beba womu nyina da se hwene na de keka ho nyina wasafo nyina bonofo mu nyina hafofo nyina mo be mi akambum e ya de baako why na politics na atiti mo nti sabre ya ahima ko akurai na wadawma ye be kosoa ya santesem yanka se ye ya santesem ni echi na obi die obi nso ye na nwona sem ayepe obi ye no nkran sem ayepe obi ye dagomba sem a na efritete kura de dagomba no mo ye no mo se kabonga ye ne wo nyina ya de kro okote se dagomba ne ka kabonga ya asante no woka no eti ye tibi bebre te ka dagomba ye de bi ko ja ho tie nuan ma asante fo ho a mo dagomba edi wo ye dagomba sem a efe o ye man pro sem a efe kusasi sem a efe ja no obinya na asante sem entano be ja ode no mpja ne de nti sabre ade ato ye ni tinem frɛ tuntum yi yan sorry ho ne yamesene ko ye adwuma Kofi nti na de be ye no na afa yan konko hwɛ nioma no wo mo se ade ya omane bo amawu na kiya nya ne politics na nso mra bi atwa nioma ne bebre ya tan ba kan Akufo Addo ye so akwa akoto plane me kura me kan bi se plane de ho hia ne ade na nipa no omo kan ne ade no omo na ese atwa omo ho a nipa bonefo adan ho se yenko form committee kwajo smart e kan bi say commission of inquiry ni amfra Akufo Addo ne ade yenko nkohwe aye okuje trouble akwa wa yira gina so se o wa ya kura events men say ka kire ne se you play ni ade no engine ba ko ese ozo kan we yenko ngoti okuje trouble akwa yenti okuje to
and transcontinental.
When he used it for watching
I was there for the UN General Assembly.
The engines failed. The engines failed.
Machines at the President Mahama 2015. President Mahama actually had 2 incidents, 2015 and 2014. That's why it has 3 engines. When one engine...
hold on. So you see, Oguja to Ablagobi. Can you imagine, say, yeah, catch it and say, plane engine failure. Or see, plane engine failure today. Because now you're Akufo Addo. And then you so Oguja to see, and to play for so you are expert and then can was Oguja to Abaya the boat techi. And one year the boba. Why? Na ya the end of politics. It mo konko pe plane bin to.
More fire.
Sameja mfi wa and then mo so sign condolence no tinisuo. O tinisuo. Yen go tie the Sameja mfi ka fa plane ho. Yen go tie.
The president is renting luxurious jets at cost of sometimes $20,000 per hour, $14,000 per hour. Why? Because our president has become so tall that when he sits in the Falcon 900, which is one of the best presidential jets in Africa, he's become so tall that he cannot stretch his legs. Yet George Oppong, the president of Liberia, has become so short that he can sit in these same jets and travel around with it. Although the president is renting...
you don't need for Mubra. Sammy? Yenina can be. Yenina do home for. I think there are certain parameters. Yenina Yanin to see a fanya politics. Yenina Bejatum dia. And you do any fanya politics. And you so be Cassadia. Ya president you move. It ya quachuomo. A bedroom. The doors were Becasama month for energy. Most of the obese president you move. It did Yabai. Tianyan day. Your mamma man a matana me say. Me penamemu, me penamemu. who here so because the president bi mu na no kura no nipa bonefo Akufo-Addo penso ye nyina ye kɔ demonstration ye toto saa adwom ne bi timo ya Akufo-Addo aye mo na mo be white wash Akufo-Addo what niama mo yi Akufo-Addo ba be ye sentenche if say Akufo-Addo penso niama se tolerate
exactly so
fire
and ye bebo bi a kyere mo sem funu ni ade ani ayi
for pound
eni na nu ni nansa Vincent Assefoa anu wo yes wo busa omane boama a waka baby o busa na ba play one sem ye be ko ne akwa akotie sade even speaker of parliament at that time the one sitting in one man kwa me na musa the necessary questions eti ave no wo ti ni samja fi wo ti ni suo edua ntekuma tena ayi anansia de awu no ntekuma won tena se ntonko na muntie futuo muntie said me die ba ye me kan ya from 2017 o mantie kadachie no wo abodam kadachie no say o mo ya me na koye say I'm speaking against the ills of this government because me ye MPP ni nti na die na ma Julius Debra be pay masem Julius Debra from say me adwuma die na ma ne pay masem because na me ye MPP ni so na me kan okura kire ma ban ene na mo tutu America be fa me say me ngoya adwuma na nye o ma bia na adwene mo ha yes no wakaseti na abanra ana wakaseti we do flip flop there be me na mo integrity me na mo integrity mo na mo ni bie your kaseti na aban no timi say kaseti aban fofo o integrity mo adwene ni mo ha me nim say de mo dwene nti ye ka kire o say MPP dia defend e no answer we defend sa eti afi yenhwe yenhwe Vincent Assefoa de yenhwe But Vincent the anani wo busa on the floor of parliament say o mane boama say ni wa mane kwa mena musa ave na muti ni shu ye nyina otu aduboni a ebi be kan no
sapepepe ohene
ese aduboni a moto no opposition ye kan play once mama me yanke ebi na akia no
sapepepe
nti ave obi a no wusu a no aye din why mo asem nso ho
sapepepe ohene odom
General
ohene
kuma see Accra road no ewo ho okay you sorry free ha na yemra ejo e so mane bo mama wu e ya de now say manfo no wo nye in touch with the common Ghanaian
exactly so
say enya asem bia aka modern flowers sisi woni pictures sisi we anka adwene beba mutirim say nkola 16 no kura mo fa nka ho na nya national mourning what also mo feel it too high the leadership of the country they are very far from the people
fire.
It was a too tragic incident.
Exactly.
And I to a minor within a state of 2 weeks. Now, Sabi more to Tom Flowers a gua. And Kola 16, the pictures about who be 80. It's so big journey question or journey mount for the one. For the Kola 16, the pictures to be Swobi. Now, acquire national mourning. And so I call your money boamenti. I call your mutala. More nya papa. Leadership on your papa. Now, mount for ne do almost on your papa. Leadership na manfo no so leadership ni very far from the people and manfo na ni just leadership ya far from them and when I sit here na me catch them say hey leadership no mo nwene mo ho a so wa MPP ni no kanti mo adwene na ti say if it's a national mourning asam no mienu asi na areho pa it is areho dia na say mo de o mane bo ama mo picture be sisi baabi am ya beto Tom Flowers egu ase a mo fa nkola de asi obi e ebe so ebe say no ebe dwuri dia yi enso nam say mo nwene manfo ne hunti onsa mo ntimi inform dia kura nsi mo ko obogu kura no aka ne fe ene say mo be ko ba bi yesie nkola no na mo Flowers kura na mo ko toto ye no ka mo de bienu bi koto but you don't feel a part of the people and the people do not even understand what I'm talking about. They think I am attacking their god master, their paymasters, their gods. Leadership. Kovi, in 1985, Nkola 14 wo kroma. Empanifo anyini, Nkola bi eto concrete mu. Empanifo anyini mo bekai 85. JJ Rollins Suma Amod car. Any way so town Kodua, no in America. JJ no, but because he felt a part of the people, Yakachiro Mowax, military Mowax, I movie on high speed because Nkola 14 and penny for Mokai Sasimi. It was reported by BBC. It was reported by New York Times. And Kola 14. And they were near asem. And then Kola 16 were near asem. And you're normal. You're normal. We've normalized death in this country. And then Kola were near asem. And if I were near asem, Africa, the chair car near the dinner term. What going to say? Ticket. What going to get to
More fire.
More
fire. Burn them.
Me say no leader should be able to sleep. So that's sorry. Now in Kola 16, and yes, a natural death. Yes, a accident. Now accident then cause you a road. And if a road no Kumasi Accra main road, facture omo di aye. For the Kumasi Accra main road natural omo di aye. The two major cities in our country. The two major cities of this republic after 68 years. I feel what comes when I go for the transfer to me. I judge Rollins a transfer. What to be a Kufa by obey ABC baby. President Mills by you do a dualization. Kurane free Akosia Pega. Want to me and Yakufa by obey a dualization. We are VIP by say. Professor Mills by you wanted your mama. Mills number 1, your mama number 1. 8 years. Even from dualization free Akosia Pega. I want to me and yet. When you get here, and if I be a Guinemuno, a Santia, a tiny tea. Almost we are Kumasi in 2 lanes, 3 lanes. Asante is the center of the country. And no more shall say here Eastern Corridor, Yempeja, Kohona, Okwa, and Kofa Kumasi. All for economic disadvantage. And I move from Komayimuto, Masamunko. Yaya Kumasi Accra main road in a sofa so the other. If say Yaya idea will be a corner for Befaho. Yaya idea will be a free takra de Bobefaho. Now Kumasi near center. It is the economic viability because the more board than 68 years. The two major cities, my goodness. I said, now you do Dobru. Now me drive back. Dobru besi pokuasi. Me spend 1 hour 36 minutes. Dobru. Adia ultimately a year. 5 minutes. 5 minutes to hour. And you're politicizing. And this for supporters say me and Kamwasa. Me no guys almost so much your contractors to go on the as a minister of road roads or Korea Expressway. Nianya kwan normal road ya Korea Express. Na we no buy say hon kwan there wa ye dey awie. Ti aso ye fast kopa bibi be shemu. Na ono so kopa 10% 15. Afa me ka kire manfo ne say they make capital out of the misery of the people. Afa na manfo ne say katachie no na wono abodam. Wono abobo adam. Esamo mo adam a. They make capital out of the misery of the people. It will go through misery, no. One only sham and I say, Quacha, Niasabe Catchers when you're going to cry, I saw the construction, the man contract for. And you don't need money. I feel quite favor. We on Benjamin and Adawa 2028 and Sunny a year. Near the Fajo Mama Bigino, Chapa Sumo, near boy, some share. Number for any anti. No more 4 years of misery. No more for your money. Baby, are okay? Baby, are okay? Adai. Just a minute in Panohu. Kumasi Accra main road. Make will be to our wedding matter. Or first be you. Because to him you are attacking the Godfathers. To him you are attacking the political party. Are we mad? What nation is this? I ain't intimate Kamumba. I say, a drew a dear and yet. Okay, I'm so Kufa with me. Ideas of Kufa to be 8. Professor Mel said your mama they can be 8. President Kufa be 8. JJ be 8. 86 16. Now when you want to mean dualization of the two major cities. At this point, it is not who came what and did what and couldn't do what. national building. Eti ne ka kira mo say mo fa National Development Planning Authority mra. Eti nya se ya betwaba. Ko wensani bi akwa akwa hyɛ mu a. No wa twero na mba big push, na mba big this, na big nine. Na wan. Name National Development Planning Authority no. Omako Ghana ha nyina. Omunim the number of kilometers of roads we need. Said the abayi a omunim say in the next 30 years, in the next 20 years, in the next 40 years, kwabena roads de do aye here ni. Ebia ye was 60,000 kilometers of roads. Now every year bia na ye be this kilometer of road. Eti wo ba road map on the hodida. Co terminus when a presidential term, which is 4 years. That is what we do. Eti ye ba betwaba political parties no. Wo munim kwans wo mudi manifestos bi aba. And one say obeko NDP no no. No akoko bi so am say kilometer of road ya do do say. Na ye in the next 4 years. Near kachire wa. What na be kire how you source funding to do it.
Exactly. So
After mine will move forward. And ye we ba no be gwirigwiri akaka. Ne we ba no be gwirigwiri ha. Okọ ya na eja no. Na say. That is not nation building.
Exactly.
And when I expose this kind of knowledge, me wa happy from makan wa sama ka. So abai ni sika wodi ya kwan ya. Sad duty no more fan to so
precisely.
Abiding for sad duty no more private individuals.
Exactly. So
I never see a PFM na because I say several years ago na propose here. Say mon fa san your man no e private individual. Eji e wo for sapon. Kwame despite. One mo twitwin cars akasi okrom ha ya de jimudi. Momra. Mon form me a company. Come here. Mon call your mom letters of credit. Abiding the car tell bomo chido. Ya na mo sign 50 years. Mon call bro chire nko contract ayi sika me munyi 6 lanes here 6 lanes there afi ye ne mo contract ni mu no esa hyem se be previous aka bi nya accident na ye through the negligence of mua if start to be say ya quickly mama to in kan kwanyin free ho na mfa nko si garage mo ni ko si garage articulator driver oba na obetua na obegina de porto obi si a quickly mo nkoko paache na afi mo ntuto no se to no ne age 2 cedi a afi mo fa nko 10 cedi if se kwanfo yi kura ye tua to de da na afi mo ye ni ye man Tony board in Quay Betia. Near Jabo so can call the beer. Most way not drinking way anymore. Yamichiramui, Monfa. Said the Abaya bicycle cacrobin, or never call before. Now, so when Quan there went, a buying and penisa. As walk off a contract and about. No, do Huska. Now, sure, one and you say, no man for any aji. It is how the year took by Fede. Now, the flower road Romano. One in Crawford. Or my former consortium of companies. And they do it. Yeah, no man call. Said the Bayer, the Fruit Massico Sunyane. Now, no, so neck down, so be a manoa friend. After it becomes privatized roads. Now buying no kwa wanya view. But tenacity. Now so percentage wa muji to no a buy be say nya percentage. What's mu you so adwene we number you so dey. Ya me kira mu. Way practical way. E wa bra munim say America roads bebre. Private roads. They free New York ko New Jersey. Hati aba no. Teach them. Kadache me na ma adwene mo ha. E ne adwene mo ha pa. To mon privatize roads, you know. That's what money. A home quad there went. I don't know, dear Ninty. Ovi, me huna mani you. Huna mani. Yan sorry fluo. Na a metro masi. Yasi dear Koso. NDC buy, you know. Managers are now 16 in you pay M7 Fantene. Vote at the end almost we don't be NDC for. Papa Momunada. Metro Masu. Anna Bass is in Bubu. We make any one else. Metro Mass and no 4 years, you know. Didn't Bubu. Ave wa mba ya enya bass and menoka said the whole 16 region ayi wa made no friend simple 16 deposit no wa made NDC for no bebre yasi bo okro ye loading boy ave so nko manager wonim aye administration home achi na wona abo aye emi awi ni ye fro ko ye manager Oni wonim die bia. Oni wonim die. Obi. Won ba ya de ehia omo pa. unions na wa metro mass ana omo gigi ska SCC toilet ni ade e the various depots no obi say depots no ni ade toilet no mbenya hu ska de ahwe unions no me no ka say NDC macho me akogye toilet ni nyina 16 ni nyina omaje amemu ayebu ni o omaje je toilet ni nyina na unions no ekam no mo de ba no so ga de check ba na me say na we me kam na go say we are there omaje na we me blame obia adubu ahimbia no oto de kufa ne kwotena ho ona blame no one by o masake NDC for NPP for ni supposedly ni ai wono ankasa adubu ahin ko ho no no otwiti NDC for NPP for ne bad ni alusu atoda ya na sobo no mo de bo akufa do of masa mo so ho mo nya papa biasa one by so Danny Metro Mass no ebi a dia ba basis na bu no anya basis na abubu ne hia omo na mo pe yi omo frɛ bibi aye out of a dia yi court to dia ben yi per diem ni ade omo increase ebi dia 233%. Hey omo di hu ska omo we Danny fakata na kyerɛ omo increase out of station dia ben ena wo ho yi wo fakrata na redi we begu ye page wo ebi die managers ne de o mo increase o mo de by 233%. Metro Mass na agwerega no wo mo nya hwie o ana o mo pa diem no mo pe no mo tutu mo e so o ma ban aba we amemo we government nipa no ajoma medical appointment ne say we Metro Mass and fanto ne hwe nim just we ni administration bia ho we esi akodu say ex convict kura ne de ama o mo position